So hey everyone, welcome to day 2, video 2 of Linux. Before we start with commands and hands-on practices, I want you to clearly know what you will learn in this module. By the end of this module, you should be able to do all these things confidently. First, understanding Linux system architecture, kernel, shell, and FHS. You will learn how Linux is built inside. We will discuss about kernel, the brain of Linux, shell, the translator between you and the system, FHS, file system hierarchy standard, how files are arranged in Linux. Once again, we learn about kernel, the brain of the Linux, shell, the translator between you and the system, FHS, file system hierarchy standards, how files are arranged in the Linux. This will help you know what happens when you give a command. Second, compare key Linux distributions. See, Linux comes in different flavors called distributions like RHEL. Just now we saw in the first video, Red Hat, RHEL, Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora, Debian, and etc. You will learn which one is used where and why company choose one over the other. Example, in banks, RHEL is common. In colleges, Ubuntu is common. Third, access RHEL systems locally and remotely. You will learn how to log in directly from the same computer, local access, that's called, and also how to connect from another computer using tools like Secure Shell for remote access. This is important because in real companies, servers are often in a data center, not in front of you, obviously. So it's very important to learn about Secure Shell and stuffs and all. Fourth, use system documentation tools, man, info, or help. Linux has some built-in help systems like man, expanding to manual pages, info, detailed info documents, help, quick usage guide for commands. Now, these are for your reference books inside Linux. No need to Google for every small thing. Inside Linux, you can find a lot of answers for your question. Practice essential bash command lines and skills. Bash is the most popular Linux command shell. You will learn basic commands to create file, manage folders, check processes, and control the systems. This is your core skills for any Linux job. Last, complete hands-on labs and real-world case studies. You won't just listen to theory. You will practice on RHEL systems. We will also see examples from Indian companies. So you understand how Linux used in the real project. So that's it. Keep these learning goals in mind. Every topic we are going to cover from now onwards will connect to one of those objectives. By the end of this module, you will have the knowledge plus hands-on skills. So start working on Linux systems in a professional environment.